What do you mean by variables? Variables are like, when you're giving a value or when you're giving something with a name to it. For example, you're going to say player as a name, and automatically when you make a variable like a player, it creates a window on your computer or like a box on your computer. Cool? So let's say you make a variable called player. It creates a tiny box on your computer with a name called player on it, and it's still empty. Now I'm gonna define a value to it. It's a player. You're gonna write your own username or anything. If it's a text, you put the quotations around, and you add a text inside. Let's say the name of the player is admin or something. So you just give it a value to this player as admin. And this thing right now in a computer somewhere in the computer memory or to the game memory, a tiny box which was made to call player will save a value called admin inside it. Now you can write the level. So let's create another variable. I'm going to make another variable called level. And as soon as I do that, the computer memory also stores another box called as level. Now this is going to be holding a number. So numbers doesn't need any kind of quotations around. We can just say level 5 and it stores over here too. So anytime in your game, for example, when you're having a loading screen happening, you want to call these values, all you can do is you can just show the variable name called player. So I'll just say print player. I'll write here print message, and inside the print message, I'm going to call player. Now what it's going to do is it's going to show the value of the player, which is admin. And I can do the similar print to show the age file. Now, this is how variables are. This is what variables do. They store values. You can call them back. Let's test it out over here. So I'm going to make some values. Let's say A as some name or simple text. Let's say I'm going to make, this is going to be the side the teacher is going to code. I'm going to say player 01. I'm going to give it a name as player 01. And the value is some different name. Let's say rookie 1, 2, 3, 4, something. And the level for this player 01, or level 01, another variable with the value as 1. I can do the same thing with multiple players. So player 1, player 2. And player 2, I'm just going to say code something, and he's at level 2 or level 4. Doesn't matter. And if I want to know what these players are standing at, I'm just going to say player joined, and you can write the name of the player by saying ... player 1 joined the game. And again, 2 dots joined the game. And the same thing we can do it with the player to join the game. And it's just going to call these values as an output. So you got an idea? Yeah. So when you're going to run it, it would say player 1, which is rookie 1, 2, 3, 4, join the game. Here it's going to say player, the name of the player is coder 2, 3, 4, join the game. Or you can just extend it by saying their values and more. For example, player 1 level now is at, and you can call the level of it by saying there's 2 dots to connect it with level 01. So when you're going to run the game, there's many models in your game right now working. So we just need to go through them. I'm going to go to view, and we go to output. And if you see here it says player rookie 1, 2, 3, 4 join the game. Player coder 2, 3, 4, 5 join the game. Rookie player name, whatever that was, level is now at 1. So yeah, that's how variables work. Interesting. So go ahead. I will see that it says the third player also joined the game. Click on the play button and go to the output window to see the change. Go to view, and then go to output. Oh, it's over here. And then, do you see? Look at the last line, what it says. It says, player 3 joined the game. That means, yeah, you just call the variable out here. Pretty simple right now.